In this project, we can control our home lights, fan, or any other devices. Here, I used EEPROM as well, so if power goes out and comes back, your lights will be in their previous state. In this project, I am using the ESP32 microcontroller and TSOP1838 IR receiver. See here, previous lights will be on again when the power comes again. Please watch full video to make this project. Paste here and install the library. I have connected 14th pin with my IR receiver. Lights are connected with pin 4, 16, 17, 5. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program. Press the Reset button in Node MCU. Press the button in IR remote to assign button for LED. Here I have used 2 buttons for one light. One is for on button and one is off for button. Copy the number and paste in program. Total 8 buttons used in this project. So paste in 8 numbers in program. Re-upload the program after changing numbers.